Good morning. It's Saturday, arguably the best day of the week, and I'm about to make us some crepes, but it's kind of a mess. I need to organize the living room kitchen a little bit, but for now we're just gonna bake. Alright, we had our crepes and chilled a little bit. My husband went to work, and now it's time for me to go walk around, shop, do my own thing. Same as every Saturday. Woo! Just wearing sweats because that's the most comfy. Yay! Oh my god, I'm so happy to be home. That was exhausting. It's so hot outside that I just couldn't breathe. But I bought some cute things, so I'm gonna show you what I got. I mean, and some basics, but still cute. Alrighty, this is everything. I'm pretty sure I vlogged when I was in Aritzia, but then it just got super hot and the construction, the walking, it's just not nice. So I just stopped vlogging because I was getting overstimulated, as one does. Anyway, I tried a bunch of things at Aritzia, but I only ended up picking up 2 things. Alright, so the first piece I got is this. I loved it so much. I felt so preppy and academic and like studious while wearing it, but it was also super comfy. So I picked it up. And then the next, what was that? And then I only got this little jacket, I guess. It's not really a jacket, I don't know what it is. It's like a sweater. Yeah, or a cardigan. But it's this super structured and like blunt cuts everywhere. I really liked it, and I also don't have anything that's kind of like cream whitish to put over like a cutesy dress or something. I can't believe I just said cutesy, but yeah, I liked it. I was confused for a minute about which color to get because they had like a darker beige, more like an oatmeal color, and then they had, what did they have? Oh, a gray, just very neutral gray that looked not great. So I picked this one up. Next I went to Nespresso, and I just got 1 box of like coffee pods, but I've been avoiding caffeine recently because I feel like it upsets my stomach so bad that it just makes me uncomfortable for days on end. So I never thought about stopping. Like, I've had these issues for a long time, but then one day it just clicked and I didn't have coffee, and I felt better. Even though I was a 1 coffee a day person. So I started off by just having decaf during the week, and then I would like treat myself to 1 real coffee in the weekend. But then I went to Nespresso and I realized that they have a half calf, and then I started buying it pretty much, and I've been having these most days. They still upset my stomach, so we know I can do calf, but it's still a treat. Or when I'm super exhausted and I haven't slept well, I'll do a half calf, and then on the rest of the days I'll just do a decaf. But yeah, I've been feeling better with this. It's not as bad as with the actual coffee, and again, I just really keep those for when I'm really desperate. I think it's a nice option to have. Finally, I just went to Uniqlo for some basics. I just bought another one of these and another black one. They're the same t-shirt, just fresh. So black, white, and then that's it. That's all I got today. I mean, this was a lot still. Might go to the movies. I know I wanted to go to the movies last week when I was alone on Saturday, but I didn't have the like guts to do it. And it's not about going to the movies alone. I'm pretty much used to doing everything alone. I'll have dinner, lunch, anything, go to the movies, anything. I'll do anything alone. But it's the walk there, because it's a little sketch. Because I like to go to the VIP, and if I want to do VIP, I have to walk the like sketchy walk. So, which I'm not a big fan of. I mean, I'm okay if I go during the day. It's just super hot. Like, what I was thinking was eat, organize dishes, shower, it's hair wash day, and then maybe walk to the movies, come back, style my hair, chill some more, go to bed, and then tomorrow's another day. Except that I don't want to do the walk there or back at night when it's dark, and during the day it's extra hot. I don't know, I'm just rambling, I'm overthinking it. I know I did this last week and I didn't end up going, and I feel like I'm gonna do it again this week. Okay, I'm gonna go get my salad going and get whatever I want done. I'm not gonna buy a ticket now, but I know that there's a lot of seats free, so we should be fine for 6:30. Good morning, it's Sunday. I'm all ready to go. We're going to my mom's for lunch, and I also made banana bread to take with me. So I'm not sure if it's good yet because we're not cutting it until we're there, but I'm still gonna show you what it looks like. I'm excited about it because it looks promising. Doesn't it look amazing? It looks so good. Oh my god. Yum! Hello, I just got home. I finished work today and then I had something to do, and then I went and got my nails done, which I think turned out great. I did chrome for the first time on top of a nude. I've never done chrome, but I think they look really nice. It's a clear chrome, so they're just extra shiny, which is cool. But I have a few things to show you. First, let me get rid of this bag, declutter a little bit. I got gifted some goodies today, so let's get into what's in the bag. There's one Oribe product, even though the bag says Oribe, but it's the Gold Lust Transformative Mask. Look at this packaging, how nice. I think it's like a softening, restore overworked hair to its prime with each dose. So that's exciting. We're always styling our hair, so restoration is always nice. Restoration? Whatever. Look at this packaging, it's amazing. And I want to smell it because it said that it smelled like jasmine. What else do we have? We have a candle from Nest, grapefruit scented. I hope it smells nice. It smells so fresh. So good. Smell it. How nice. I love this. And I only have one candle because I don't like storing extra things in my home, so I only have like this much left of it, and it's a Bath and Body Works one, so it's not great. So this is nice to have. And then finally there's a Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Cream. Shade is Fenty Glow number 2. Let's see the color. I need to top up my gloss. It feels a little dry, but maybe we'll try this. The color looks pretty nice. Let's see. Ooh, that's pigmented. I hope I didn't put too much on. What do you think? It's definitely super shiny. That's it for this bag. And then I just went to Maxi, the supermarket. There's a new one that opened very close to me, so I just picked up a few like girl dinner items. I actually got a pizza, but this is just for the freezer for like emergency meals, because the rising crust thing looked good to me. I don't know, I was shopping while hungry. It's like, what time is it? 7:15, and I just got home from work, so last time I ate was like at noon. I'm saying like a lot these days. Sorry, I'm gonna try to reel it back in. Got some little crackers, I guess, basil and tomato, because I got some charcuterie for girl dinner. They're on the floor. And I got caprice de Dieu, little cheesy cheese, and boursin, just a classic. I think that's all I got. Oh, and I got a baguette. So I'm gonna make myself a little girl dinner. And I'm pretty sure we have a new episode of The Summer I Turned Pretty. I can't believe I'm this invested in a teen show, but it's pretty obvious, and it was always obvious from the beginning that it was Conrad. And it always should have been Conrad. Anyway, let me go, chillax, and I'll see you later.